The former Representative Arnie Teves, is now back in the Philippines. I was first informed of this development by Prime Minister Gusmao during the ASEAN meeting that I just returned from in Kuala Lumpur, and that Timor-Leste was ready to send Teves back to the Philippines. So this would not have happened without the assistance of President Horta and Prime Minister Gusmao of Timor-Leste. They have been working very hard to bring this to a conclusion. As we know, the former Congressman Arnie Teves is facing charges of murder and other crimes related to the ambush killing of the former Governor Digamo. We would like also to assure all our citizens that such lawlessness will not go unpunished, and it is now time for Arnie Teves to face justice.
Ginoong Arnold Porteles Jr., kayo po.
Yes.
Tell us about Congressman Arnie Teves. Pabalik na po ba siya ng bansa?
Process is ongoing, and we just have to, we cannot second guess the system, the legal system of Timor-Leste, but hopefully this time the executive responsibility for deportation will prevail.
Sir, when you say ongoing ang process, what does that mean?
Well, we are waiting for things to happen, to unravel within the next 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours?
Yes.
Sir, meaning 2 to 3 hours, pabalik na siya?
We might have we might have a briefing in 2 to 3 hours.
Here?
So we're waiting, yes.
Sir, may legal impediments pa po ba? Kasi may habeas corpus petition granted supposedly kagabi.
No, there's no granting. There's no granting.
Wala po. Pero so a petition, was it denied or wala pa lang po?
No, ano yan eh. Given 48 hours to explain.
Hindi naman kailangan, sir, iharap siya doon sa korte doon?
48 hours. We don't know how it works there because the judicial system has plenary powers to change the rules every time. A very immature judicial system. That's why we're relying more on the executive to decide. But an undocumented foreigner charged with terrorism and murder will have to face the music someday.
Sir, clarification lang, may 48 hours to explain pero
I really don't know the particulars. I'm sorry. I haven't read the order. I have no translation, but that is how I understand it. That's how the legal system should work.
Pero may effect po ba yung sa judiciary side doon sa parang utos na po talaga na deportation?
No, I cannot speak about the case in Timor-Leste because I don't know the legal system. I just know that he should be deported to the Philippines.
Sir, may team na tayo doon. Ano na po ba yung prosesong pinagdadaanan?
People are en route. If they haven't arrived yet, they're en route. Meron tayong team.
Sir, naging factor ba yung ASEAN Summit dito sa naging decision ng Timor-Leste because they're the ones who
I am not sure. I wasn't in the summit. I cannot
but sir, gaano kahalaga na mismong President of Ministry of Council na po yung naghayag na malaking banta ito sa seguridad ng Timor-Leste na yung pananatili ni Teves sa kanilang bansa?
If they're asserting the right of the executive or really the role of the executive to represent the sovereign of the country. Sovereignty issue yan eh. And it is beyond many things judicial already, I think.
Sir,
in my opinion.
Sir, assurance na lang, hindi lang sa family ng victims, kundi din sa Teves family who are also concerned na baka wala raw ng due process.
May due process lahat yan. We even we assured the executive of Timor-Leste that we will do things as observing all the tenets of due process. and fair play. Unlike the victims who died here, there was no fair play when 13 people were murdered. Pinatay po yung 13 tao rito, kaya hindi ho ito basta-basta pinag-uusapan at hindi ho ito ginagawang kampihan. Ang mahalaga po, yung mga pamilya na nawalan po ng mga mahal sa buhay, magkaroon ng hustisya.
Sir, anong magiging proseso pagbalik niya dito sa bansa? Ano po yung mga pagdadaanan niya?
Hindi, ongoing na naman yung trial. He will just be under the jurisdiction of the court, finally. Ongoing na yung trial. Witnesses have been heard and they're still being heard. We have not finished presenting the evidence against them, but we are presenting the evidence as we speak. Marami na tayong nailatag na testigo sa pagyayari.
Sir, yung detention niya, kasi nasa NBI detention yung iba niyang mga kapwa-akusado. Doon din ba siya o iiwalay siya?
We will cross the bridge when we get there. Hindi natin pwede sagutin pa. Hindi ganun bagay.
Isang 2 taong pagtatago sa Timor-Leste, opisyal nang napasakamay ng Philippine authorities si expelled Congressman Arnolfo Arnie Teves Jr. Siya ang itinuturong mastermind sa pagpatay sa kanyang political rival na si Negros Oriental Governor Roel Degamo at siyang pang iba sa tinatawag na Pamplona Massacre. Bandang 1:00 kaninang tanghali nang ibigay ng kanyang abogadong si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio sa mga miyembro ng media ang travel order ni Teves. Ito ang opisyal na dokumentong nagbibigay ng approval para tuluyan na siyang mailipat sa Philippine custody. Mag-1:30 nang magtipon-tipon ang mga opisyal ng Timor-Leste at mga miyembro ng DOJ Joint Team kasama sina NBI Director Jaime Santiago at DOJ Assistant Secretary Eliseo Cruz para sa official turnover ni Teves. Ilang minuto makalipas nito, inilabas na si Teves, nakaposas at may kadena sa paa. Saka isinakay sa eroplano ng Philippine Air Force. Bago mag-3:00 ng hapon, lumipad na ang eroplano patungong Pilipinas. Agad na humarap sa media si Justice Secretary Boying Remulla.
Naghintay kami ng 2 taon para mangyari ito at nagpapasalamat tayo sa Panginoon na ito na yung hinihintay namin na reckoning na dapat yung harapin talaga ang mga charges sa kanya.
Ganito rin ang nasa Facebook post ng byuda ni Degamo na si incoming Congresswoman Janice Degamo at sinabing justice is coming. Sa isa namang statement, sinabi ng Anti-Terrorism Council na sinusuportahan nila ang naging desisyon ng Timorese government. Matatandaan kasing humaharap din sa alegasyon ng terorismo si Teves dahil umano sa mga patayang naganap sa Negros Oriental. Pero ayon sa legal counsel ni Teves, bagamat nasa ilalim na ng legal jurisdiction ng bansa ang kanilang kliyente, hindi sila basta-basta titigil dito. Lalo na't nanindigan silang iligal ang pag-aresto kay Teves.
Yung mga miyembro ng legal team ni Congressman Teves will always plan for any contingency. Noon po, we are acting because of the situation that he is in Timor-Leste and outside of the jurisdiction of Philippine courts. Ngunit hindi po nangangahulugan doon na kami po ay nagpapahinga lamang dito.
Pauna nang nag-issue kagabi ng isang statement ang gobyerno ng Timor-Leste at sinabing hindi na maaaring manatili si Teves sa kanilang bansa dahil nakokompromiso raw ang bilateral relations ng Pilipinas at Timor-Leste. Bukod pa rito, ayaw rin daw nilang magmukhang takbuhan ng mga kriminal ang kanilang bansa.